Okay, guys, it's 3
Here,
a.m.
I'll show them.
and we're doing the 3 a.m. challenge.
Maybe if it'll focus.
Come on, focus.
Oh, my phone turned off as soon as it started to focus. It said to do it for a quick second.
Oh my god, what's wrong with it?
Just hold on to it.
Maybe something's happening.
Yeah, might be. Here, just put it down here. It says 303 right now. It's 303.
Why can't it focus?
Just hold on to it.
Oh yeah,
It said
you
it for a
probably saw.
second.
Did you see
Yeah,
it?
it said
you
303.
probably saw. So we're gonna do not do magic tricks at 3 a.m. And hopefully
Not hopefully. No, not
nothing
hopefully.
happens.
Yeah, hopefully nothing happens. Alright, so I'm gonna be doing magic tricks, okay? So put it right there. Alright, so magic tricks. I'm gonna do the classic. Why is the time going so fast? Oh, I'm joking. I'm scared. Shit. Okay, so I'm gonna do the classic. Okay, wait. I'm fine. Okay. So, alright, so pick a card and a card. Tell me when to stop. Stop, okay. That's your card. Now put it in the middle of the deck. This Nerf gun is shaking, guys. I wish I could show you, but I can't. Look, this Nerf gun was just like shaking.
Yeah, it like stopped.
Like stopped as soon as you said. Yo, look how creepy this picture is. Sean, wait, Sean, come here. Did you not see that?
I saw that.
Okay, I'm gonna do one more trick, then I'm done.
I'm just filming.
How did I not see that?
I mean, I saw.
Alright, so we got. I'm gonna change this 4 into a 5, okay? There's a 5 at the end. Alright, so I'm gonna put 5 here. I'm doing one more trick, then that's it. Sean, wait, are you doing the blinds, Sean? I know you jumped on the couch, but are you doing the blinds?
Yeah, it's on my couch. That one was just a fake thing.
You
What?
tried to scare me.
Yeah, I was just trying to scare you. But all those I think were real.
Alright, so pick a card, any card. You pick this one? Okay, cool. Let me guess your card. It was this one. Yeah, okay, I'm done. Done. This is... The lights just turned on, off and on. Did you guys see that? Okay, I'm literally scared, so I'm gonna end the video. But thank you guys for watching. Leave a thumbs up, or the spirits will come to your house and kill you.